Good morning, students. I hope you all fit and fine at home. So, with a big smile, we will start our chapter 17, that is, They Made Us Proud. So, student, before starting the chapter, thought of the day is if you can dream it, you can do it. You never fail until you stop trying. What is the thought of the day? Thought of the day is if you can dream it, you can do it. You never fail until you stop trying. So, let me start the chapter 17, that is they made us proud. Student, in previous video we are sharing about Rani Lakshmi Bai life and achievement, Bal Gangadhar Tilak life and achievement, Subhash Chandra Bose his life, Sarojini Naidu life and achievement, and this time we are studying about Rabindranath Tagore. Student, Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861 in a highly cultured and well-known family of Kolkata. He was a youngest son of Devendranath Tagore and Sarda Devi. His contribution to Bengali literature is immense. Immense means extreme. So his contribution in Bengali literature is immense. He was a poet, writer and philosopher. So student, let me start Rabindranath Tagore. He was a poet, writer and philosopher. Life and achievement. So student, here is the word achievement. What it means? It means accomplishment. Accomplishment means something you have done successfully, especially through hard work or skill. We call it achievement. So his accomplishment, his achievement, his uplabdhi, it is accomplishment, something you have done successfully especially through hard work or skill. We call it achievement. So student, his achievement, in his lifetime he wrote nearly 50 books and more than 3000 poems. Since childhood he was interested in writing. He was educated at home. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his book of poem named Gitanjali. He was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. He got the Nobel Prize in Literature and he was the first non-European to win this. He was awarded the kinghood by the British government in 1915 and he also awarded by the kinghood title by the British government in 1915. He returned this honor as a protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Massacre means mass murder. It means Hatyakand. It means the killing of a large number of people or animals. We call it the massacre. Massacre means mass murder. So he returned this honor. Where we are? He returned this honor as a protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. He participated in the Indian freedom movement in his own way and was a close friend of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a close friend of Mahatma Gandhi and he returned the kinghood honor as a protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay, and after that he participated in the Indian freedom movement and he was a close friend of Mahatma Gandhi. And after that, fact file, the national anthem of both Bangladesh and India are written by Tagore. Amar Amar Sonar Bangla is a national anthem of Bangladesh, and Jan Gan Man is a national anthem of India. So which is our national anthem? Our national anthem is Jan Gan Man, and who wrote it? Rabindranath Tagore wrote this. So again, our national anthem Jan Gan Man and Rabindranath Tagore wrote this. Okay, and he also wrote the national anthem of Bangladesh, Amar Sonar Bangla. Okay, move on next page. This is student Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar near Gujarat. I want to add something. Mohanchand Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Kathiawada village in Gujarat. Okay, he is widely known by the name Mahatma Gandhi. His father was Karamchand Gandhi, who was the Diwan of Porbandar. So student, here is the word Diwan. What it means? A Diwan was a head of a state institution. Okay, so Diwan is a post. It is a minister in the particular area, a particular state institution. So his father Karamchand Gandhi, who was a Diwan of Porbandar. Okay. Now life and achievement. Everybody know the word achievement means accomplishment and something we have done successfully, especially through hard work or skill. We call it the achievement. He went to London to study law. He first launched his non-violent civil disobedience in South Africa, where he was practicing as a lawyer. So launch. Launch means, what is launch? Here, launch. It means to start something new or to show something for the first time. कोई काम, नया काम शुरू करना या किसी वस्तु को पहली बार स्टार्ट करना, we call it the launch. शुभारंभ करना, स्टार्ट करना. So he went to London to study law. He first launched his non-violent civil disobedience in South Africa, where he was practicing as a lawyer. This was the beginning of the most important phase in Gandhiji's life. So student, here is the word phase. Phase means the condition, is a stage. So this is the beginning. ये शुरुआत थी गांधी जी की. Most important phase in Gandhiji's life. गांधी जी के जीवन का most important chapter यहाँ से start हुआ था. He came to India in 1915. He took up the leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1921. So student, again in South Africa, he started to fight for the Indian using two ideas. He believed ahimsa, non-violence, and satyagraha, following the path of truth. Okay, when he come back to India in 1915, he saw that the Indians were being treated badly by the British ruler. He decided to join the freedom movement. So, student, again, he took up the leadership of Indian National Congress in 1921. Okay. He became the president of the Indian National Congress in 1924. In 1930, he launched the Salt March as a protest when the British imposed tax on salt. Impose, resist होता है. Impose means, it means होता है थोपना. It is imposed. He led various other movements which ultimately shaped the future of India. So his movement गांधीजी's movement हुआ नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट इन 1922 and Dandi March and civil disobedience movement in 1930 and after that Quit India movement. Okay student, now he led various other movements which ultimately shaped the future of India. So you know about this non-cooperation movement. It is started in 1920 to 22. Okay, and after that Dandi March and the civil disobedience movement 1930. After that Quit India movement. Student, Gandhiji was assassinated. Assassinated means murder. On 30th January 1948. 1948 में गांधी जी का मर्डर हो गया था. Gandhiji's death was mourned by the nation. He was named the father of the nation by his close friend and poet Rabindranath Tagore. So, Gandhiji was the father of nation. Who give the title of this? His close friend and poet Rabindranath Tagore give this honor to Gandhiji. So student, I hope you all understand the things. Thank you so much to listening me, beta.